Welcome back, guys. We want to try and export our WordPress from our local host to the live server of the hosting we just bought. We'll be building these websites from the local host, so all we have to do is to go to the dashboard of our local host to do that. So this is the dashboard of our local host, and to export this website we have to install a plugin to export this website. I told you about plugins add extra functionalities to our WordPress, and we can easily export website using plugins. So I'm going to come to the plugin section of our local host website. Remember, this is our local host website and this is the live server dashboard. So the live server dashboard has the whole setup of another website which is not related to our local host website, and this is our local host website right here. This is the plugin section, so we are going to try and look for the plugin we want to use. So the plugin we want to use right now is the all-in-one WP installer sort of. So we are going to add new. Once we click on the add new, it's going to bring us to the plugins homepage where we are going to look for the plugin we are looking for. So all I have to do is just search for the plugin, which is all-in-one WP. Just look for all-in-one WP and it's going to bring the all-in-one WP for you that you're going to use to export your website. So all we have to do is to install this plugin to export our website, and this is the plugin right here. So I'm going to install it right now. Install right now, and we're going to have the all-in-one WP migration installed on our WordPress dashboard of our local host. This same plugin is what you're going to install in your live server, and we're going to install it on our local host as well. So once we have this plugin installed, we are going to export our website straight away. So let's wait for the plugin to get installed. Now the plugins has been installed. As you can see, you can activate it right here, but let's go back to our plugin and see the plugin if it has been installed on our WordPress dashboard. So once we go back to the plugin, we are going to activate this all-in-one WP migration plugin. Once we have it activated, we are going to try and export our website. So now all-in-one WP migration, we are going to activate it. So once we activate it, it's going to be activated and it's going to show on our dashboard just like the other plugins was shown when we install it and activate it. So this is the all-in-one WP migration showing right here. So once you hover on it, it brings this export, import, backup. So we have to do two operations right here. The first operation we are doing in this particular session is the export. So we are going to try and export this website. Exporting this website, we are going to click on export and it's going to bring us to the export dashboard where we are going to export the website. And we have export to, we have add, we have all this. All you have to click is export to. So we are going to export to file. Once we export to file, it's going to prepare our export and it's going to try and export the website to file. So we'll wait for the website to export, and once we have it exported, we are going to have it as a file on our computer. Then we are going to go back to the live server to install all-in-one WP, then have the all-in-one activated on the new server website. Then we are going to use the file we just exported, we are going to import it on the new server. So let's wait for this to export and see how it gets exported. We'll be able to export this website and it says download localhost 35 MB. So it's just 35 MB. All our website data is just 35 MB. So we are going to download the localhost to have it on our local storage. Then we are done exporting that way. So this is the localhost being downloaded. Then we are going to go to the next session where we are going to try and import this file we exported right now. I hope you enjoyed the course and you are enjoying it so far. So if you are enjoying this course, you have to drop a feedback, a very good feedback in the feedback section of this course. I hope to see you in the next video. See you there.